This is Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 147 South Street, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. First floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. High ceilings throughout. Beautiful hardwood floors, brand new. Big open floor plan here. You got your living room and dining room. Let's take a look around at all the detail here. Extra shelving or even seating there on the side. You got beautiful hardwood cabinets. Plenty of storage. Big windows all around for natural light. Electric fireplace. Beautiful chandelier. Through here, you get the full bathroom, handicap accessible. Beautiful shower, vanity. Across the way, you do have your big screen TV. Mounted on the wall from the ceiling. That does stay. To my left, half bathroom, washer dryer included. Nest system, control your heating. Before we get to the 2 bedrooms, let's take a look at the kitchen. Full wood block island right in the middle. Detailed cabinets, plenty of cabinet space, countertop space. Brand new state-of-the-art gas stove, exhaust system. Dishwasher, undermount sink, built-in shelving, plenty of storage here. Microwave. Brand new state-of-the-art Samsung refrigerator. Absolutely gorgeous. You see this open floor view from the kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. Emergency exit there. You get the smaller of the 2 bedrooms here. Carpeted floor. Big enough for a queen bed, possibly even set. Let's go over to the main bedroom. This will have French sliding doors that are currently being repaired. Spacious. Built-in cabinets. Closet space right there. You could fit a king set in here, no problem. Also have additional closet space over here. More place to hang your clothes. And that's the tour. If you'd like to schedule a viewing of 147 South Street, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island, click that Show Mojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or, if you'd like to apply now, click that Apply Now button, fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.